Metaverse is about getting things done, working, learning, connecting, and caring for one another through virtual presence.
At Meta, we are on a mission in partnership with all of the great developers and creators out there to create an ecosystem for learning in the metaverse.
The idea of making the invisible visible.
You're all incredible because you're all change agents for the future.
Much of what I call the metaverse could easily be experienced in my smartphone.
So we need to be much closer to the market, closer to the use case, closer to the problem we solve.
There's so many activities that are going far beyond exploration. It's go time.